In this video, I will be showing you how to create a task for another team member. Tasking is a great feature for Lawft users to manage their cases to see what needs to be done. So beginning in the tasks section of your case, on the right side of their screen, there is a blue button that says create task. Click that button and a window will pop up for you to put in the details of this new task. So for this example, we're going to pretend we received a settlement offer from opposing counsel. So for this task, I want the attorney to review settlement proposal. Now, I need to assign this task. So from your drop-down menu, find the person who is needing to complete this task. Now, in order for you to assign a task on this case, the person you're assigning to needs to be assigned to the case. So Benson is the lead attorney on this case, so that's why his name is appearing here. You also are required to put priority. So I'm going to mark this as a high priority because we want to settle. And here I'm going to put the deadline for which I want him to complete this task, and I want him to have this done by tomorrow. In the description, you can put more details. You can tell them where you put this in the folders, depending on how you set that up. You can also put in a reminder for the attorney and choose how they receive that. So I want them to receive a text message 30 minutes before it's due. You also have the option to add a subtask. So let's say after the attorney reviews the settlement offer, I want him to talk about it with the client. So discuss settlement with client. And again, I'm going to assign that to Benson since he's the attorney and he reviewed the settlement offer. You have the option to continue adding subtasks. So once you have all the details put in the bottom right, there's a blue button that says save. Go ahead and click that button and you'll see it automatically pop up in the to-do.